Hello my YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. I know you guys love my kitchen garden video, so I am happy to share this harvesting video with you guys. Last year I shared my raspberry harvesting and tomato harvesting. Usually I shared my tomato and raspberries and gladiolus video with you guys, but this year I planted white radish and the radishes in my garden, and from last 4 or 5 days it's pretty rainy, so this is a really good weather. They grow like crazy. I'm really happy. I think this is the first time they actually harvesting crop ready very fast because of the good rain. So I'm in the Calgary area. So most of the time our growing season is very short because we have a very cold weather. Even our summer is on the cold side. So this is the half of the white radish I will leave here because there is a really nice delicious beans at the top I will grow, and I never grown by the way from this, but I will try because there is a really delicious dish from that, so potato and that beans. And this is the mint. I love this mint. It smells so good. I grow rosemary. So if you're interested to grow your own vegetable, honestly, it's really easy. Anyone can do it if you add a little time into your garden and look the full basket of the fresh vegetables. So I'm gonna make the paratha or like roti from that white radish. It's delicious, and the chutney. So I hope you guys like it. Usually people like the harvest video. They love to see how I grow my vegetables. I grow a lot of gladiolus, so I'm gonna share you soon the other video with you guys. But till then, please do consider like subscribe the channel. It's really helped the channel to see more people who are interested in this one. And if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Look what I harvest more. I plant the potatoes and they're doing just fine. So keep watching for more updates. Thank you.